Welcome back to the vehicle. We've made it down to Gowrie Waterhole. We've just come across this bull elephant. Just a little bit uncertain about how we're going to approach him now. As I arrived over here, I just saw these big wet marks down the middle of his legs, or his back legs. It's a very big indication of him being in muster. It's actually a heightened state, so it's high testosterone, very aggressive elephant's life. So we just got to be very careful how we approach him now, just to see how he responds to our presence. All of a sudden, see his behavior. Look at that. Yes, he looks very, very keen to come and tell us to move out of the way. Okay, here he comes. You can see that there's a very good angle there. If you can look in between his legs, you can see the urine dribbling down his legs. It's a very, very aggressive stage. It's guys really not giving us a bit of an indication to come any closer to him. Okay, now have a look at that. Can you see in between the legs there? Here he comes in. You can actually see that's urine dribbling off there. That's the sign that we saw when we first arrived here. Because of a heightened testosterone, sexually heightened state now, he can be a very, very aggressive elephant. So they're grumpus. You've got to give it a bit of space now. And I think he's going to show us exactly that is a male elephant now. Spectacular. We're sitting here with the bull elephant. He's in must, sexually heightened, very high testosterone, very aggressive at the moment. We're really lucky to get this close to him. We'll see, he might just come out now. He's feeding on this tree over here. It's very awesome. We can spend this much time with him, so close to him. He's around about 20 meters away from us. But we've got to be very careful with his presence. If he doesn't like us being here, we could get a charge any minute. with this bull elephant. There he comes again. Just got to get ready to go. Here he comes. Well, everybody, we see his activity now. He's been giving us quite a few clear signs. He's definitely not the happiest character at the moment, but all due respect, he's got a lot of testosterone surging through his system. For everyone out there that's watching us live at the moment, it's quite a spectacular thing to be a part of, to see this kind of activity. Getting some fantastic footage in the process of a great promo video. And then we'll just spend a little bit of time with this bull and see his activity and see what else he gets up to. Yes, no, definitely he's showing all the clear signs. You can see that testosterone surge. But we'll give him a bit of space. Yeah, Graham. Folks, I think we've spent a good deal of time with this guy. It was fantastic to see that behaviour. He gave us a couple of warning charges to let us know that now we just mustn't come any closer. And beautiful bull, and he's prime. We must just mention the Saturday probably back times already. Those testosterone levels surging, so we're going to give him a bit of space now. I think we've spent a good deal of time with him, and it's no to push him too far. Got some fantastic behaviour out of that, and we really enjoyed that. So I think you enjoyed yourself over there with that, Alex. He came very close at one point. I think that last one was probably about up to 10 metres away from us. But it was just an indication for us not to irritate him anymore, and he's quite happy now that we're making some space for him. But it was so close at one point that you could actually pick up this rich scent. Urine. It's very musky, very strong musky smell, very clear smell of a bull elephant in musk. It's just one of those beautiful smells out in Africa that makes you realise you're out here in the wild.